been 2 days na kahapon at ngayon yung hilong-hilo ako. Hindi ko alam. Baka buntis.
It's a lot more subtle than you were, where it's very overt. It is serious crime. Very serious crime. Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything! Good morning, guys. Simpa rin, guys. Kababangon ko lang. Si Tami hindi talaga natutulog gagabi, guys. Dahil yung refrigerator sa baba, inayos niya. Hindi siya natulog, hindi siya nakatulog, ganon. And then, iniwan niya yung speaker, dalawa, sa labas. So, ngayon, may mist. Yung parang ulan na parang bayot, bading mist. So, ganon. Nabasa yung speaker, yung andun sa pinaka dulo. Yung swing doon, basa. Tignan nyo naman yun, guys, yung fog. Oh, tignan nyo yung fog. Oh. Diba? Grabe yung ginaw at ang init, nagkita. Kaya nag-fog. Diba? So, hopefully, dry yan. But anyway, good morning. Naliligo si Tami. Maaga ako, guys, kasi magluluto pa ako. Maglilinis. Linis muna ako and then luto. Si Tami, walang tulog. Pagod yan. And also, it's already, hindi ako nakatulog kasi pinapakinggan ko si Tami kung okay lang siya. And it's already 6:38 ng umaga. Nagising ako 5. It's sleeveless, guys. It's ready to leave. Are you gonna wear like that? No? Can I see your front? Ah, champion. That's the one you're talking about that I cannot have.
Right. It's sleeveless. You wouldn't wear it anyway.
Yeah, my armpits. Nagluluto si Mr. ng umagahan, breakfast. Yung binili ko na pang toast na bread, yun yung ginawa niya. Oh. Oh. Hey. Oh. Say good morning. Oh, you don't say good morning.
Morning, guys.
Maligo na ako, guys. Where's Roxy? Come in. Come. And tapos na akong naglinis. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko is maligo. Well, actually, hindi pa ako tapos ditong vacuum. Vacuum lang ako dito. Sideways look. You just use your eyes on it. Aray! Aray! I lock my skin. Honey, you're so cute. He is so cute, guys. Katatapos ko lang naliligo. And nakikita na ko sa kanya kasi nag-sleeveless. Oh, can I see your armpits? Can I see your armpits? He is so cute, honey. Ay, huy, ano? You have to clean, please. Shave, hon. Every time. My husband is so funny. Look at him. He's so cute. I don't know why he likes celery. Why you like celery?
Well, you told me it looked like a dog ate it, so I'm going to serve it then.
He's so cute. Anyway, guys, maglinis lang tayo ng chicken. Ano, luto tayo ng manok. Okay. Luto tayo ng manok. You want breakfast? Do you want breakfast? I don't look like a pidudida, right? Pidudida.
Looks good.
I like it. It's big, but it's really comfortable.
Hey, if it works, it works.
Yeah.
Who cares?
Look.
Yeah, they're a little big for you.
Yeah.
Move it. Move it. The rule of marriage. Wife likes it. That's no. If you don't like it, you buy it. If you don't like it, sorry.
So look, you're scared. That's why he's not gonna get married again.
He learned 2 marriages, he knows. You don't need somebody to scare him. He had 2 wives to do that. Nah, they would. Still?
Really?
You also didn't believe you get poison ivy.
You know why? Because they don't believe if you hunt and you kill something,
Yeah?
you gotta eat it.
Really?
And in Louisiana, those rats. But what happens is they dig into the levees, they pull the water back, the river, and they undermine the thing. So the state of Louisiana, you can chop a tail off and they'll give you $10. If you bring it to like a DEC, Department of Environmental Conservation.
And it's not like they're buying tails. They just want to make sure people get rid of the rat population.
So after we were done, I said, yeah, no, I'm not that hungry. So after we were done, she says, you know what that is? She says, that's nutria. I says,
Sitting down. Okay, you have to go line up early over there.
Yeah, we're going.
Because...
Are you blocking the middle?
I don't think so.
Alright.
And throw the garbage also because over there too.
What is that?
Because the garbage thing is over there. Outside.
What is it?
Oh my God, atching ako ng atching. Anyway, so umalis na sila Tami, guys. Habang sili. Iwan ko, guys. It's been 2 days na. Na kahapon at ngayon, yung hilong-hilo ako. Hindi ko alam. Baka buntis. Baka buntis, ha? Hilong-hilo ako. Hindi na tayo mag-asa, guys. Pero baka buntis. Kahapon pa ako nahihilo. Yan, ito. Tanglad, guys. Nilagyan ko ng tanglad, look. Ito siya. Yun. Konti lang yung manok nilagay ko, guys. Kasi mostly sabaw yung gusto namin. So, yun. I-preenan nyo na lang ako, guys, na buntis. Baka buntis. Kaloka talaga. Nag-ano pa ako sa inyo, no? Pinaasa ko pa kayo. Huwag nyo na, hindi ko na kayo paasahin, guys. Huwag na kayong mag-asaso. Pero na ano talaga ako, guys, as in, kahapon pa akong hilong-hilo, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo. Kahapon pa ako hilo-hilo. Hilong-hilo talaga. Ilagay na natin si... Surusin pa yung konti. May ice pa konti. Yun, si malunggay na ice. Yun. Yun. Ito dito. Look, okay na yan. Ilagay ko na lang yan mamaya sa sa oven para mainit. Konti na lang yung natira, guys. So, ito na siya. Moy, Tami, moy. Hindi pa sila nakabalik. Sabi pa ni Tami, ang dami na daw tao doon. So, nagpunta sila doon sa pinuntahan namin kung saan si Tami nakabili. So, yaon. Yaon. And it's 11:30 na ng umaga. 1 o'clock yung ko kasi inagahan ko, guys, kasi may mga lakad yung ibang tao, so para naman makapag-spend time kami dito. Yun, kaya maaga. Squirrel ba? Ito yung mga paborito ng squirrel. Hi guys! So ngayon, wala pa sila dito. At saka si Tami, wala pa rin. Hindi ko kung ano yung ginagawa ni Tami. Sabi ko, i-text mo ako pag alis na kayo doon. Parang natagalan ata ito sila Tami. So ayaw na sila. Okay guys, andito na sila. Look. Pag malapit na punta ako. Ito na sila, guys.
It's a lot more subtle than Newburgh, where it's very overt. And it's serious crime. Very serious. I mean, things you wouldn't even think of. In a little town like Village of Wolves, you wouldn't think that there are heroin addicts. In the Village of Wolves, you walk through it, yeah. Very serious problem there. Prostitution. All those crimes that you So you thought it was in the car with you? Well, you got a cold. He knows it. All right.
Working for the man every night and day. And I never lost one minute of sleep. Big wheel keep on turning, fire will keep on burning. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Walk a lot of you, I know this is rolling,
People tend to be more energetic when they're singing.
I'm dizzy.
Oh, yeah.
You don't have to worry, 'cause you have your money.
Ikaw, Bin, sa'yo, Bin. Uy, kung gusto niyong sabaw, andun, oh. Yung sa sabaw ba, andun? This one? Oo. Okay. On, di ah. On. Ito.
He's doing the math for you, is he?
Hoy, unsay kan ni Yui. Uy, hatagan na to ba? Dancer sa diskuhan, no? Hey, break your legs, don't break your legs. Okay, bye-bye.
See you again. Oh, you know I gotta get my half trousers.
Asan yung pagkain mo?
Okay guys, thank
Ito yung binili mo?
Oh, ito ang cute mo.
Cute. Gusto, bagay sa yung color. You don't buy any more? You don't buy any? You don't see anything?
We're still going.
Agong.
No, I didn't get one.
Yeah.
They didn't have it.
They don't have any.
Bye-bye. Great to meet you.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye.
Oh my God, I'm so
Great-
short.
great to meet you.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
Great talking to you. Yeah.
Oy, Mark, when are we gonna watch Nan?
You don't even have a taste.
Also to you guys. You talk to Lloydie.
You guys tomorrow, but you guys have something to do.
Sure, why not?
So umalis na silang lahat. Oh my God, nasakit yung mata ko kasi konti lang yung tulog ko talaga kagabi. Grabe. Yung tulog ko kagabi, konti. And umalis na sila. Kaya nga maaga yung namin, 1 o'clock kasi alam nyo na, may mga tao pang gustong umalis, ganon, may mga gawa pa, may mga kailangan pa silang gawin. So ngayon, maghugas ako. Gamitin natin yung dishwasher paminsan kasi hindi na talaga nagagamit. Yan. And umalis na, pati si Rich umalis kasi malayo pa yung drive niya, guys. 3 o'clock, 3 hours, 3 o'clock. 3 hours yung niya, drive. And then, traffic pa, diba? Alam nyo na. Nag-enjoy naman ako. Nag-enjoy naman. Parang sa tingin ko, nag-enjoy naman sila. Si Jay, yung asawa ni Lo, ganun. Karaoke. Yung asawa ni Lloydie, pataasan ng score.
Put your hand on the ground, and when you cry, you're doing it right. A little bit of Monica in my life.
Ng kanta, ang saya. Anyway. Nag-usap kami ni Lo at saka Lloydie about sa ipin. Ngayon, sumakit yung ipin ko. Usually, hindi ito sasakit. Nag-usap lang kami. Ngayon, yung ipin ko sumakit. Anyway, so hindi pa ako tapos, guys. Meron pa tayong sa table. Okay. Tapusin ko lang to, guys. Masakit din yung mata ko. Kailangan ko matulog ng maaga. Hi, guys. So, pagod kami, guys. So, iina namin itong vlog. And itong package, I will open that tomorrow and put it in the couch. And for now, I will cover the couch with the blanket. Anyway, so I'm going to end the vlog. Pagod lang, guys. Sakit ulo din, as in. My eyes, my head is hurting now. And halahan. That's a thing. So, anyway, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. And pasensya na, guys, short lang yung yung vlog. Kasi nag-enjoy ako. Gusto ko lang nag-enjoy kanina. Hindi na ako masyadong nagpa-vlog. Kasi alam nyo naman, karaoke and then music is makapiright tayo, diba? Honey, say bye-bye.
Night, guys.
Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys. Yan. Pahinga lang kami. And yun. Bye. See you.